Nkrumah University of Science and Technology is a beacon of academic excellence in Ghana. In an era where education transcends traditional boundaries, KNUST is at the forefront championing the cause of e-learning. This is the story of how we have embraced technology to foster excellence in education across diverse disciplines. The year 2020 brought unprecedented challenges with the COVID-19 pandemic. As campuses worldwide shut down, the need for a robust e-learning system became imperative. KNUST was no exception.
One day we're in
Hello.
class, and all of a sudden, everything
Hello.
went online.
Hello.
It was very overwhelming.
Hello.
Adapting to the new normal, KNUST swiftly transitioned to online learning. Virtual classrooms, digital assignments, and online assessments became the new standard.
Our priority was to ensure that learning did not stop. So we took advantage of the situation to train our faculty, equip our students with the technological skills, and then bridge the gap to ensure that learning online comes in to support the gap that was created.
Recognizing the need for a dedicated facility to support e-learning, the Office of the Vice Chancellor established the KNUST E-Learning Center. This center became the heartbeat of our digital education initiatives.
So the e-learning center was a strategic move by management to centralize our e-learning efforts. It became a hub for training, for innovation, and for equipping our learners and faculty with the skills required in the times.
The KNUST E-Learning Center is a hub of innovation and leadership within Ghana's esteemed Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Guided by our core values of excellence, innovation, and integrity, we leverage cutting-edge technologies and pedagogical strategies to foster tuition and learning and knowledge creation. The KNUST E-Learning Center offers a comprehensive suite of services tailored to meet the evolving needs of stakeholders. These include online teaching and learning, video conferencing, proctor services, webinar series, and podcast. To ensure seamless service delivery, the center operates through various departments. The instructional design team integrates technology into learning design. The systems support team maintains IT systems, and the service support team offers call center and help desk services, among others. The center also operates through specialized subunits, including the Design and Publicity Unit, Training and Research, Full Online Programs Unit, Proctor and Assessment Unit, and the Immersive Learning and Pedagogy Unit, leveraging VI technologies. The center firmly believes in the power of robust digital literacy skills. We organize diverse capacity building activities for faculty members and students, ensuring continuous improvement in digital literacy.
As the Training and Research Unit at the KNUST E-Learning Center, our training sessions are designed to equip participants with the skills they need to thrive in a digital learning environment.
With the help of e-learning, we are able to submit online assignments wherever we are, and we are also able to access course materials online. I thank KNUST for bringing this initiative to Obuasi campus. With this, we are able to have the same experience as those on main campus.
For me, the advent of e-learning is a blessing in disguise. At the initial stages when the talk of e-learning began, I was among those who were very skeptical because I don't like computers. But
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, lovely people. Good morning. You are all warmly welcome to the 6th edition of JSMQ Junior Science and Maths Quiz in the regional qualifiers organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with Ghana Education Service and DEX Technology. We are on the 7th day of the Ashanti regional qualifiers, and this is the first and in fact the only context for the day. I want to take this opportunity to appreciate our Vice Chancellor, Professor Mrs. Rita Akosia-Dixon, and the entire management of KNUST for their continuous and extreme support. We also recognize and appreciate the leadership of the chair of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz and the entire board, the chair, Professor Kwesi Prekum. God bless you. Thank you. Our head teachers, we salute you and we applaud you for all the sacrifices you've made for our students and for this contest to be successful. My dear contestants, representing your respective schools, thank you, and you are appreciated and applauded for all the hard work you've put in to represent your school. Hopefully, you emerge winners. But whether you do or you don't, you are being appreciated because of that hard work, the hard work that you have put in. JSMQ 2024 competition is under the proud sponsorship of KNUST E-Learning Center. At KNUST E-Learning Center, we say just a click. Institute of Distant Learning. At KNUST IDL, lifelong learning, an essential key for development. University Information Technology Services, UITS. We are so appreciative of the high-speed internet provided. DEX Technologies. At DEX, we say practical science is now practical. Ghana Standards Authority, thank you. Multi-credit savings and loans. We are so appreciative. Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, GMPC, impacting lives. SteadyX, thank you. Pizza Man Chicken Man. At Pizza Man Chicken Man, we say great food lives here. Fonjo Images. We keep your memories alive. Thank you so much, our sponsors. And of course, our media partner, Kesben TV. Thank you very much for telecasting this program and for amplifying our reach and impact throughout Ghana, throughout the world. Kesben TV, we say, Ubia Bedidi. Everyone will have a share. GSMQ is unique because it is tailor-made for learners of junior high school so that they are able to showcase the understanding of basic principles underlining life sciences and physical sciences. We aim to promote teamwork and critical thinking and also application of practicality of theories we learn in our classrooms so that even at this early stages of our lives, of our academic lives, we can see science come to life. On this note, I want to introduce my contestants. But before then, can we all give a resounding round of applause to the schools representing today? Thank you. So we have Promise International School, represented by
Jay Adamaya.
Hello.
Final year.
Thank you.
Haruna Nabila, final year.
Thank you very much. We go to We move on to Adventist Academy, represented by
Righteous Amos.
wonderful.
Was Duftina coach?
Thank you. Then to Galaxy Starling Community School, represented by
Lady Diakona the text na board. Every
wonderful. Thank you so much. My name is Dr. Mrs. Sandra Bankokwate of the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology, KNUST. I'm your quiz moderator for this section. So before we begin, some general rules. And before the general rules, can we text our buzzers, please? Promise International. Can we hear your buzzer? Adventist Academy. Good. Galaxy Starling Community School. Excellent. So for your main question, do not press the buzzer. You don't need to press the buzzer for your main question. Good. If a school is answering its main question, please, the other two schools should kindly wait for them to exhaust their 2 attempts or until their time is up before they press the buzzer. I want to repeat this, please. For your main question, don't press the buzzer. Answer. If a school is answering its main question, please, the other two schools, you have to wait for them, one, to exhaust their 2 attempts or till they are timed out before you press your buzzer. Please, if you do that before it's time out or before they exhaust the 2 attempts, you'll be disqualified from that particular question being available to you as bonus. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. We have the round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. Round 1, that is the fundamentals. Round 2, we have the fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3, we have science and technology challenge. And round 4, the last, of course, not the least, decoding the clues round, the DTC or riddles round. Contestants, my dear ladies and gentlemen, I will read instructions for the particular round before the round begins. Are we ready? Oh, my contestants, are you ready? Excellent. So we begin. Round 1, fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If incorrectly answered, it becomes available as bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 40 seconds to answer questions that requires calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other 2 schools to compete for by pressing their buzzer. Failure to press the buzzer before answering bonus question will nullify your answer, and thus no point or mark will be awarded to you. I wish you, my dear contestants, all the best. We begin. Question 1. This is a preamble to all schools, so you have 15 seconds. Define the following and give 1 example each. Promise International School. Incandescent objects.
Incandescent objects are objects that produce light when hot. When they are hot. Example, sun.
That is correct. That is correct. Thank you. Adventist Academy. Transparent objects.
Transparent objects are objects that allow light to pass through. Example, glass.
Another chance.
They are objects that can be seen through completely. Example, glass.
So I'll give you 1 out of 3. I'll give you 1 out of 3, and I'll explain why after the next. Okay. Translucent objects. Galaxy Starling Community School.
Translucent object is an object that allows small amount of light rays to pass through. Example is a plain paper.
I would give you correct for that question. So, coming back to Adventist, you were supposed to tell us that it allows greater amount. But you mentioned you didn't bring the greater. And so that cannot be. And that was 2 over 3. And you got the example right, and that is 1. So you get 1 over 3. Thank you. Question 2. Adventist Academy. Which element is the most abundant in the universe?
Hydrogen.
That is correct. Galaxy Starling Community School. Which element is the most abundant in the Earth's crust? I can't hear you, please.
Nitrogen.
That is wrong.
Nitrogen.
Can you repeat what you said? The gentleman.
Nitrogen. Nitrogen.
That is wrong. Bonus. Promise.
Helium.
That is wrong. The answer is oxygen. Approximately 49% by mass. Okay, Promise International. Which metal is the most abundant in the Earth's crust?
Mercury.
No. Bonus. Galaxy Starling.
Aluminium.
That is right. Thank you. Question 3. And there's a preamble to all schools. Each school should give 1 enzyme found in the, and I'll mention your school, then you mention an example. Okay. So each school should give 1 enzyme found in the Succus entericus. Galaxy Starling Community School.
Sucrase.
That is correct. Promise International School.
Maltese.
That is correct. Excellent. Adventist Academy.
Lactis.
That is right. Thank you. Excellent. Question 4. Preamble to all schools. You are to determine the odd number out, and you are to give your reason. Determine the odd number out of the following, and you are to tell us your reason. Promise International School. 3, 13, 23, 33, 43.
The odd numbers in it are 3, 13, 23, 33, and 43 because they cannot be divisible by 2 completely.
Come again.
The odd numbers in it are 3, 13, 23, 33, and 43 because when they are divided by 2, there is a remainder.
Wrong. Bonus. Galaxy Starling.
The odd number is 33 because all the numbers are prime numbers, and except 33, that will have only 1 and 3, and 33 itself has 8 factors.
Lodina, you are right. Thank you. Adventist Academy. 4, 8, 16, 20, 64. Sorry, I start again. 4, 8, 16, 64, 256.
8. Because all the numbers are perfect squares.
That is right. Thank you. Galaxy Starling Community School. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45.
The odd number here is 5. This is because all the numbers have they are composite numbers except 5.
That is right. Thank you. Question 5. Please, to all the schools, listen carefully and determine which function is being described in Microsoft Excel. Promise International School. This function searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a value in the same row from another column.
Counter.
No.
The F.
I'm sorry. Bonus. Galaxy Starling.
Oh, equal to VLOOKUP.
That is right. Adventist Academy. This function joins several text items into one text item.
Range.
No, please.
Merge and center.
I'm so sorry, that's wrong. Bonus. Sterling.
Equal to join.
No. So the answer is concatenate. Good. Galaxy
This
Sterling.
avatar is not working. This avatar is not working.
Is working. It's working. Yeah. No, they press before you. Okay. Sterling. Your question. This function combines the text from multiple ranges and or strings, but it doesn't provide the delimiter or ignore empty arguments.
Equal to range.
No.
Equal to combination.
No. Bonus? Bonus? Okay, so I answer myself again. Is concates or concats. Concats. Question 6. This question involves statements, and you have to state whether it's true or false, and there will be no bonuses, with the exception or in the event where a school refuses to answer, then it may be passed on as bonus. Good. Galaxy Sterling. The nucleus serves the function of storing genetic information of the cell. True or false?
No.
That is right. Thank you. Promise International School. Promises to answer this. The nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. True or false?
False.
I'm sorry, that is wrong. It is true. Next question. Adventist Academy. Nuclear envelope is absent in bacteria. True or false?
True.
That is right. It is true. Promise International School. A natural number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is either 0 or 5. A natural number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is either 0 or 5.
True.
That is right, it is true. Adventist. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3.
False.
I'm sorry, that is true. Galaxy Sterling Community School. A natural number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Can you repeat what you just said? That is correct. It is true. So on that truth, we come to the end of round 1. Scores will be brought to you. Thank you. Hello, my lovely people. You are welcome back. At the end of round 1, we are having exciting scores. Promise International School, 9 points. Adventist Academy, 13 points. Galaxy Sterling Community School, 18 points. Excellent. So as we can all see, it's being keenly contested. So we all have to give off our best and continue to give it off. Excellent. Before we move on to the next round, we want to appreciate our proud sponsors, KNUST E-Learning Center, Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST, University Information Technology Services, DEX Technologies, the Ghana Standard Authority, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, GNPC, SteadyX, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images. So appreciative of the immense contribution that you have given us. To our media partners, Kesben TV, we thank you. We say at Kesben, Ubia Bedidi, everyone will have a share. So before I start reading out the questions, we have substitution for Promise International School. Nabila is moving out, being replaced by Yakubu. Can we give her a round of applause? Nabila, you have done well. Thank you for such a wonderful performance. Yakubu, you are welcome to the hot seats.
Thank you, madam.
Excellent. So if we are set, can we do a bit of breathing in? This morning you've not breathed in. Breathe in. Good. Out. Another one. In. Out. Let's do a third one. In. Out. Excellent. So, I will start reading the questions. But before then, let us test our buzzers. Can we hear the buzzer of Sterling? Good. Promise. Adventists. Excellent. Round 2. This is the fastest brain, fastest finger round. One question will be read out and contestants would have to compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. 4 points. Okay. When the contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from that question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestant must answer in 3 seconds. You press the buzzer, you are called, you answer. In 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, you'll be bailed out if you've not given any answer. Good. If a school gets the question wrong, the remaining 2 schools get to compete to answer. A wrong answer in this round, unfortunately, will attract a penalty of 1 point. If we are all here, body, soul, spirit, we begin. I wish you all the best. Good. Fastest brain, fastest finger. What is the name of the first computer network? Oh, I get to answer myself. Okay. It's known as the ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Administration Network. The next one. Calculate the power of a pump which can lift 200 kg of water through a vertical height of 6 meters in 10 seconds. You are to take G as 10 meters. Sterling.
1,200 watt.
That is right. Excellent. That is a Sterling performance from Sterling Community School. The factory of proteins is called Sterling.
Ribosome.
That is also right. It is the ribosome. Excellent. Next. 2 numbers are in the ratio 3:7. Their sum is 100. Find the 2 numbers. I take it again. 2 numbers are in the ratio 3:7. Their sum is 100. Find the 2 numbers. Galaxy.
30 and 70.
Oh, 30 and 70 is right. Galaxy Sterling. It is right. What principle? The next question, please. What principle of physics is used in creating an atomic bomb? Promise?
Quantum physics.
No, please. It's nuclear fission. Nuclear fission. Next question. What gas or which gas is responsible for the ozone layer? Galaxy.
Oxygen gas.
No. Adventist?
Ozone.
That is right. Good. Next question. What is a perfect flower? Promise.
A perfect flower is a flower that has all the parts intact or matured.
No. So a perfect flower contains both male and female reproductive structures. That's what I was looking for. Or stamen and pistil or carpels. Okay. Next question. In what units is the speed of internet data commonly measured in? Promise?
Hertz.
No. Sorry. Adventist?
Megabyte.
No. So is in the bits, not the bytes. So it's either kilobits, megabits, gigabits. The bytes, including the kilo, the mega, the giga, are units of digital storage, digital information storage. But this one is speed of internet data. Okay, so on that bit bytes round, we come to the end of round 2. Thank you. Okay, our scores are ready. So if my contestants and my audience are ready, here we go. At the end of round 2, Promise International School. Hello. Yeah and Yakubu. Yeah, I need your head up. Wonderful. Good. They had -3. You have tried. You have tried. All hope is not yet lost. No, all hope is not lost. Adventist Academy. They had 3 points. Okay. And the Galaxy Starling Community School had 11 points. So totaling them, Promise International School 6 points, Adventist Academy 16 points, and our Galaxy Starling Community School still leading with 29 points. Thank you. Thank you to our wonderful contestants. We move on to the 3rd round, the Science and Technology round. So the preamble is, 1 question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. 10 points can change your fortunes in this contest. 10. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by Dex Science sit. Okay, so you have been provided with two containers labeled A and B, and both of them are containing water, a substance labeled C, and another liquid labeled D. You are required to perform the following task. Pour substance C into A and liquid D into B, and stir the mixture thoroughly for about a minute, 1 minute. Allow the content of the containers to settle. Write your observations about the content of A and B. That's the first question. The second one, what types of mixture were formed in A and B? Third question, with your observation, with respect to the content of B, what can you say about liquid D and water? Fourth question, you are to mention one method each for separating the two mixtures formed. Explain or describe how any one of your answers mentioned in question 4 would be used to separate mixture. That's the fifth question. So if we all have our components and we are all okay with what we have in front of us, my dear contestants, we kindly wait for Sterling. I think Sterling is set. Are we all set? "10 minutes, start work." I would give 1 minute for you to round up, please. 1 minute. 1 minute more. Hello? Stop work, please. Please stop work. Thank you. So we'll be right back. Thank you very much.
Technology. Neither Ghana nor Africa can afford to lag behind our nations. These were the words of Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as he launched the atomic reactor in the 1960s, and these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how Tech Science Set is ensuring that this dream of the Western region comes true.
We as a school have embraced science education or STEM education, using the science set to do practicals. We have not been long in the use of the science set, by just a term. We realize that using the science set for practicals brings a lot of excitement. The child feels involved and the child learns while doing the practicals. We are of the view that if our parents are able to collaborate with us, or any other school that they are using the science set, if you are able to collaborate and help the school get the science set every term, I think that practicals can be held easily. It doesn't pay to teach science in abstract. Science is like mathematics. We don't read it. We get involved. We involve the learner and we involve the teacher. and you can only be involved if you are using the science set to do practicals. I think that almost every private school and public school will ought to understand that to successfully study science is meaningless unless it is linked up to the use of science sets. And that's why I think that we must embrace this idea.
Has been in existence for the past 22 years.
Wow,
yes,
that's old.
And we began using the science sets about 2 years ago.
Wow.
And it has been great, seriously, because you know, teaching and learning of science without practical is a waste of time.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under sciences, agriculture, education, business, built environment, humanities, and engineering. Applicants for all programs must hold either a diploma, a higher national diploma, or a good bachelor's degree from a recognized university. You can visit any of the IDL offices across Ghana. In Kumasi, they are located at the Casley Hayford Building, KNUST campus. In Accra, they are located at the old KNUST guest house near EcoBank headquarters at Abraka, or the KNUST Accra City Center, Kwabenya, or McCarthy and Adenta office. In Takrade, you can find them at 2nd Takrade, Cancer Road. And in Tamale, they are at Kapohini near the SNIT regional headquarters. Kindly note that programs would only be mounted at centers with the requisite minimum number of qualified applicants. Facilitation is a blend of online and face-to-face sessions on weekends. For more information and in-depth knowledge about the programs, you can visit the KNUST IDL website at idl.knust.edu.gh or call them on 0247 274 661 or 0507 110 005. The Institute of
Wonderful. Hello, welcome back, my contestants, my viewers, respective schools. At the end of our science and technology round, we have our scores. Promise International, you were able to answer all of them correctly, so you get your 10 points. Galaxy Starling, you were also able to answer all your questions, so you come out with 10 points. Adventist, you had a slight challenge with the question 3, of which you were with regards to your observation of the content of B. What can you say about the liquid D and water? Your answer should have been, the liquid D and water are immiscible, or they do not miss. But you wrote that, what you wrote, yes, did not answer the question. So with that regard, you had 8 points. Please give us 2 minutes. We will be right back as we take our sponsors, messages from our sponsors, please. We will take a message from our sponsors and then be right back.
The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under sciences, agriculture, education, business, built environment, humanities, and engineering. Applicants for all programs must hold either a diploma, a higher national diploma, or a good bachelor's degree from a recognized university. You can visit any of the IDL offices across Ghana. In Kumasi, they are located at the Casley Hayford Building, KNUST campus. In Accra, they are located at the old KNUST guest house near EcoBank headquarters at Abraka, or the KNUST Accra City Center, Kwabenya, or McCarthy and Adenta office. In Takrade, you can find them at 2nd Takrade, Cancer Road. And in Tamale, they are at Kapohini near the SNIT regional headquarters. Kindly note that programs would only be mounted at centers.
Hello, welcome again. So a slight correction here. So at the end of round three, that's the science and technology round, I need our audience to give all our contestants a resounding round of applause. Excellent, excellent. So for Promise International School, 10 points. Adventist Academy, 10 points. Galaxy Starling Community School, 10 points. 10 points. Excellent. So at the end of round 3, we have Promise International School, 16 points. Adventist Academy, 26 points. Galaxy Starling Community School, 39 points. So we move on to round 4, but before then, there's a slight change. Can we give a resounding round of applause to Lordina Efriye, as she's being replaced by Cecilia. So a lady goes, a lady comes. Thank you so much, Lordina. Welcome, Cecilia. Round 4. So in this round, which is the decoding the clues round, in this round, we would be previewed to riddles. Okay? And the question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, is 6 points. On the second clue is 5 points. On the third clue is 4 points. On the fourth clue and other indication is 3 points. 1 attempt only, please. Only 1 attempt. If you are asked to repeat, you repeat what you mentioned. Good. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering would disqualify you from that particular set of clues in that particular question. And your answer is nullified, even if you had it right. So I will be using my fingers to indicate on the number of clues that we are on. Please, are we ready? Oh, my contestants, on your microphone and then let me hear from you. Are you ready? Yes. Excellent. So riddle 1, but before then, let's test our buzzers. Okay, Galaxy, can we test your buzzer? Can we hear your buzzer, please? Good. Adventists. Wonderful, wonderful. And then Promise. Good, good. Loud and clear. So riddle 1. Riddle 1. I am frequently utilized in simple machines to reduce effort or increase distance moved by the load. I make your work easy, and so you can call me a machine. I have a falcon. Galaxy. Galaxy.
Oliver.
It's wrong. There was another one. The next school that pressed, please. Yes, Promise.
First class level.
That is correct. It is the first class level. That's on the third clue. Riddle 2. My main role is to provide support. I transport nutrients and water from the roots. Promise?
The stem.
That's not correct. Adventist?
Roots.
You are wrong, please. Okay. With the vessels inside of me, I move fluids around. I help the plant stay upright and sound. Who am I? Yeah, Galaxy, please.
The root hairs.
Oh, no, it's the xylem. Next riddle. Next riddle. I am a simple molecule, essential for life. I am a compound made up of two different elements. One of my elements is the most abundant gas. Galaxy?
Water.
No, please. One of my elements is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere. My other elements can be explosive when pure and unbound. I exist naturally in all three common states of matter. My formula includes one atom from the first element of group 15 and 3 atoms from the first element of group 1. Promise?
Ammonia.
That is right. It is ammonia. It is ammonia. Good. Riddle 4. Riddle 4 is our last riddle. Last question for today. Please, are we ready? Ready. Good.
Yes.
All right. I am a type of malicious software. I can capture keystrokes and personal information. I am often installed without the user's consent. Promise?
Spyware.
That is correct. Promise has promised us, and they have delivered on their promise in this 4th round. On that note, we come to the end of the contest. We'll be back shortly with the results.
Será que
Oh, let's clap for our dear contestants. Round of applause for our dear contestants. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. At the end of the contest, at the end of round 4, Promise International School had 11 points. Adventist Academy and Galaxy Starling Community School had no points. So at the end of the competition or the contest, total of everything we have done today, Adventist Academy, 26 points. Promise International School, 27 points. And our Galaxy Starling Community School, 39 points. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Yakubu, Yadoma, Righteous, God's Gift, Lodina, Jedediah, and of course, Cecilia. Thank you so much for that excellent performance. We would meet again on the next stage of the competition. Bye for now. Thank you.
The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under Sciences, Agriculture, Education, Business, Built Environment, Humanities, and Engineering. Applicants for all programs must hold either a diploma, a higher national diploma, or a good bachelor's degree from a recognized university. You can visit any of the IDL offices across Ghana. In Kumasi, they are located at the Casley Hayford Building, KNUST campus. In Accra, they are located at the old KNUST guest house near EcoBank headquarters at Abraka, or the KNUST Accra City Center, Kwabenya, or McCarthy and Adenta office. In Takrade, you can find them at 2nd Takrade, Cancer Road. And in Tamale, they are at Kapohini near the SNIT regional headquarters. Kindly note that programs would only be mounted at centers with the requisite minimum number of qualified applicants. Facilitation is a blend of online and face-to-face sessions on weekends. For more information and in-depth knowledge about the programs, you can visit the KNUST IDL website at idl.knust.edu.gh or call them on 0247 274 661 or 0507 110 005.
The best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, DEX Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact DEX Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. DEX Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.